Why is there a need to multiplex? Quite simply, to see or to record more pictures simultaneously. Consider a multiple camera site. Without multiplexing, incidents can be missed completely. To monitor pictures from each camera, multiple monitors or video recorders would be necessary. Multiplex, and several pictures can be viewed or recorded simultaneously. Until now, 3 kinds of multiplexing have been possible: complex style for high-resolution analog pictures, time-based correcting digital multiplexing for ease of installation, and compressed picture multiplexing with a four-way split unit. Products are available which perform one of these types of multiplexing. Now we are pleased to introduce a unique new product, Uniplex, the one video multiplexer for all your needs. The simplest of Uniplex's modes is this, the four-way split. 4 full compressed pictures are displayed, each with its own 12-character identification. On-screen time and date is standard with the unit. Uniplex accepts 8 or 16 camera inputs, any of which can sequence in some or all of the quadrants. Pictures from all the camera inputs can be viewed on screen in sequence. For complete simultaneous surveillance of the whole site, Uniplex is the solution. The unit can display 8 cameo compressed pictures in the top half of the screen, which means that the security officer is constantly alert to changes occurring anywhere on site. At the same time, the spot monitor quadrant shows a critical area in greater detail, and the sequencing quadrant gives a constantly updating review of the site in more detail than the cameo pictures. Because of the 12-character camera ID, all the pictures on the screen are easily identified. At any time, the security officer can select and view any camera output on the full Uniplex screen. The unit supports an independent monitor outlet. Uniplex can also display 12 cameos plus a spot or sequencing monitor, or 16 cameos on the full screen. The independent monitor is a completely controllable switcher outlet. Uniplex is a complete, sophisticated security surveillance system. So far, you have seen Uniplex multiplex by compressing pictures. But it can expand pictures too. Uniplex has the capability of providing fully electronic ×2 zoom, and this can be applied to any camera. Take, for example, a car park where the security officer needs to see the whole field of view. The problem is, if a vehicle arrives at the gate, he may need to see it more clearly than would be possible with a fixed camera. The instant zoom provides a closer view of the vehicle so that it can be identified. The zoom can be triggered automatically by an alarm input, allowing detail that otherwise would have been lost to be recorded. The unique Uniplex pan and tilt facility allows precise positioning within the zoomed field of view. Uniplex's advanced picture-in-picture mode allows one or more half or quarter-sized pictures to be inset onto a full-screen analog display. The inset pictures can be sourced from any of the live cameras or from a video recorder. The security officer is able to review a particular camera or video recording while he continues to monitor a live picture. The inset pictures from the video recorder can be conventional video or complex style video. As a multi-camera display system, Uniplex has no rival. But it's more than this. It can be used as a complex decoder for analog or digitally encoded complex signals. It can be a digital complex encoder, giving time multiplexing with completely asynchronous cameras, that is, any mix of camera without the need to genlock. For those who require the ultimate quality benefits of analog multiplexing, the unit can be used as a full bandwidth analog complex encoder in conjunction with some form of genlock. Uniplex can be supplied with an optional printer output for logging of all alarm conditions, and when replaying an encoded tape, the individual cameras in alarm are displayed. The alarm inputs allow up to 16 user-settable commands to be executed, so that any of Uniplex's functions can be used on alarm. Uniplex is an ideal high-resolution freeze-frame unit for immediate incorporation into any system. Uniplex is fully time-based correcting in all modes, so that it is simple to install. No external synchronization is required, and it is compatible with all types and mixtures of camera. At a very competitive price, Uniplex is truly the one video multiplexer to suit all your needs.